Hello, welcome to our channel IT is Easy. Today we are going to talk about API, Application Programming Interface. What is an API? In simple terms, it is a way for two systems to communicate with each other. There are two key players for an API, one is consumer and other is provider. Time to look at our two real-life examples of APIs. I am sure everyone would have used a food delivery service like DoorDash or Grubhub. Once you have placed the order with the food delivery service, you can track your order delivery in real time. The backend process used in this case is API. It uses a map API which provides real-time tracking of the delivery driver on a map. Another example is website login. Have you ever tried to log into a website, and it gives you an option to use either a Facebook ID or Google ID, to log into the website, instead of creating a new login? The backend process used in this case is also an API. This API retrieves the user details from Facebook or Google, and uses it for logging you into the website. Let us summarize what we learned today. API is a way for two systems to communicate with each other. Three key characteristics of an API are: it is well documented, it makes data or functionality available, and is secured. Hope you found this video informative. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel, IT is Easy. If you have any question on APIs, please comment and ask. We will make sure to answer your questions. Thank you.